I'm going to explain to you why I love trading the longer time frame charts and how they can help you in so many ways. So let's get into that right now. Hi Forex Traders, Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach video and podcast number 270, coming to you from beautiful Queenstown in the South Island of New Zealand. School holidays here in New Zealand and we're at our holiday home here in Queenstown having a great time, and just got me thinking about so many things to do with trading, because part of trading is being able to travel, it's being able to not be glued to your computer, it's being able to do things like this, come to places like this and still continue to trade. You know, I love trading, I don't want to stop trading, I trade every day, but while I'm here I don't want to be like glued to my charts all day. You know, it'll be mad. It's just no point in being here. And it also got me to think about last week when I interviewed Imri Gams, who's a client of mine in Canada, who's now a full-time Forex trader. And Imri was, looking at the longer time frame charts and going down from the weekly charts and matching the strengths and weaknesses of the weekly charts with the daily charts, etc. And basically putting things together to give a higher probability chance of success. And that is what the longer time frame charts give you. And before you start thinking, oh, Andrew, I can't trade the longer time frame charts because my account's not big enough, that's not actually quite true, but we'll talk about that on another video. But the longer time frame charts are available for anybody to trade, regardless of your level of experience or your account size. In fact, the newer you are to trading, I'd actually suggest that you just look at the longer time frame charts anyway, because everybody gets involved in wanting to look at the shorter time frame charts, looking at every pip movement up and down, scared to miss trades, being glued to their charts. And yes, while you're learning, understanding how the charts move and how price moves is really good. That's really important. And we've all been there, been really excited to see our account move up and get disappointed when it moves down. But long term, that's not a good way of trading. Long term, it's got to be something that's practical, that's something that's enjoyable. And when you think about it, the more, the bigger, the higher time frame chart you trade, the more information is contained within that one candle or that one bar. So therefore, the more reliability that candle or that one bar has. So that's why I like trading. See, this week I traded the weekly charts on Monday. I've taken 6 trades on the weekly charts. I took two trades on Monday on the daily charts, one yesterday, Tuesday, and one today, Wednesday. I'm recording this a bit early because I'll be on a plane on Friday when I'm normally recording the weekly videos. And so far, those daily trades have worked beautifully, and a couple of the weekly chart trades are in as well. On top of that, I look at the 12 and 6 hour charts just twice a day, and that's it. And you can do that from, being on holiday, and that's the great thing about it. So it's all about having something that's reliable. The bigger the time frame chart, the more reliable the information and the data within that time frame. Just think about it logically. You can't have a 5-minute chart having equal strength as a daily chart. It's just impossible. And so look at those bigger pictures, look at the longer time frame charts. They're certainly more reliable. They also have higher reward to risk, and of course the amount of time that you need to trade them is considerably less. So put all that together, why would you trade shorter time frame charts? Look, I trade 30-minute charts and 1-hour charts, but I've got robots that I've created that do that for me. I don't want to be sitting there 24 hours a day watching every 30-minute chart or every 1-hour chart changeover. It's just, why would you? If you can create a robot or expert advisor to do that for you, then, that has those shorter time frames covered as well. But manual trading, definitely get onto those bigger picture, longer time frame charts. How many full-time traders do you know of, ever heard of, that trade 5-minute charts? Probably, I can't actually name any, but probably not very many. So think about what the professionals do. Think about what the people who've been trading, like myself, for 15 years. What do we do? We trade bigger picture time frames, because that's why we're still trading today. Because it works and it's far more enjoyable. So that leads on to another thing. Next week, I'm holding a 12-hour sale to celebrate the 9th birthday of the Forex Trading Coach. It's going to be 12 hours and that's it. So I'm really, really proud of our longevity. of the amount of people that we've helped. People like Imri last week, who I interviewed, full-time Forex trading, given up working. He's worked for, it was Google and Apple, I think it was. Now working from home as a full-time Forex trader. How good is that? And from my point of view, how incredibly rewarding that is, that someone who's taken my course, and there's a number of people like Imri who are now full-time trading. Others are just increasing their passive income and their enjoyment in trading. Some are full-time. It's a good mix of achievements, but from my point of view, massively rewarding to have so many people and to help so many people globally over the last 9 years. And 9 years after starting, we're still here helping traders throughout the world every day. And that's massively rewarding from my point of view. We've got an incredible group of traders that attend my webinars and on the forum site, and just really pleasing. Go back and have a look at how many companies, whether they be brokers, education, signal providers, whatever they might be in the Forex market, how many of them were there 9 years ago? Not very many will be the likely answer. So if you'd like to join, I'm going to put a link to that 12-hour sale below this video on this post. It'd be great to have you on board with us, and and to share with you what we do. If you'd like to join, this is your opportunity. Obviously, being a birthday sale, it's a once-a-year thing. Don't miss out. It's going to be 12 hours, and that's it. But you need to register first in order to get notified of the sale next week. So I'm off to enjoy this amazing place called Queenstown. If you've not been here, South Island of New Zealand, it's absolutely stunning. One of the most amazing places that I've ever been to. We're here many times a year, absolutely love it here. But yeah, to do things like this, get onto those longer time frame charts. They really will help you in so many ways. It's not, it's not funny how many ways the bigger picture trades can help you. So once again, this is Andrew Mitchem, the Forex Trading Coach, off to enjoy this amazing place called Queenstown. Thanks again, and hopefully I'll see you after you join the birthday sale next week. Bye for now.